How to make money with a membership site. In this video, we'll explain how to make money with a membership site. Most entrepreneurs and small business owners, over a period of 10 to 20 years of operating their businesses, develop a terrific sense of what is required to succeed in that business. Some of these entrepreneurs and business owners then go on to leverage that knowledge by establishing themselves as consultants to young companies seeking to make a mark in that industry. Other entrepreneurs may start running paid seminars, paid coaching classes, or produce e-courses, all in order to leverage their existing knowledge for the benefit of those just starting out, while adding to their own income stream. An emerging opportunity for such individuals is the rise of membership sites, especially in areas around operating a successful business. Welcome to Affluence Online, a place to learn about investing and managing your finances. Before we go any further, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss another video. We share tips on how to build wealth every single week. Membership sites offer 1. A downloadable library of immediately usable templates such as training manuals, contract templates, service agreement forms, and employment forms. 2. Several articles addressing the chief concerns of anyone just entering into this business, or someone struggling to find the answers to their ongoing problems. 3. A discussion forum to exchange questions and ideas, and to especially get feedback from the expert. Are you enjoying the video? Be sure to leave a like and share it with your friends. There are several advantages of a membership site format. A. A recurring revenue stream. Say if the charge is $10 a month, with only 500 members, the site will pull in $5,000 a month in revenue on an ongoing basis. You could charge an upfront registration fee if you like, which discourages those who will simply download all content and leave. Additionally, this joining fee encourages existing members to continue renewing to avoid a joining fee if they wish to leave and rejoin later. B. Operational costs are low. Costs include maintaining a website, a merchant account, and some ongoing marketing expenses which can be kept below $1,000 a month easily. Once the site is established, you can tone down the marketing significantly. The basic overhead then is not more than $100 a month. C. Feedback from the discussion forums is invaluable for knowing the hot button issues of the day, which will help in development of back-end products for further sales. For example, if members are hungry for expert opinion in certain legal areas or accounting areas, the site owner can now arrange for a paid seminar on that topic, or develop an online course explaining those areas and make them available for sale. A membership list will convert at a high rate for such products, since they already like the site and trust the site owner to provide quality information. And finally, the timing is right. More and more internet users are willing to pay for quality information on the web, especially information that helps them either make more money, helps them use an existing product better, or helps them receive more training. Do not ignore this opportunity. Thank you for spending some time with Affluence Online. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video. We also have these videos that we recommend you watch next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back again soon.